Minasan, Konnichiwa. Welcome back to my channel Tsubomi Nihongo. Mega desu. Watashi wa Mega desu. In today's video, we are doing grammar lesson 1. So, hajimemashou ka? Hajimemashou means let's start. It's a classroom language which I have taught in my previous lesson. You can watch it. Link is in my description. Hajimemashou. So, minasan, these are some grammar notes. We'll learn some grammar points in today's lesson. So at the end of the lesson, you should be able to introduce yourself in Japanese. So our first grammar point is noun 1, wa, noun 2, desu. So minasan, noun 1 is a subject or topic of a subject, right? Followed by wa. So minasan, we call it ha in hiragana, right? But since it's in particle, so we will pronounce it wa. Wa. And minasan, noun 2 describes noun 1, followed by des. It's a formal way to describe yourself, like noun 1 is noun 2. Noun 1 is noun 2. It's a formal way to describe yourself, and casual way to say is da. Casual way to say this is da. And if you wanna be more polite to someone, you can say de gozaimasu. Noun 1 wa, noun 2 de gozaimasu. It's a more polite way to say this. De gozaimasu. Minasan, let's see some examples. Like I am Megha. I am Megha. First sentence would be I am Megha. What was the vocabulary of I? Obviously, we have done in a previous lesson. So, vocab of I is watashi. Katakana word for Megha is me ga ha. Megha. Now, let's make it a sentence with particle wa and des. Watashi wa. Watashi wa Megha desu. Watashi wa Megha desu. Noun 1, then noun 2. Noun 1 wa, noun 2 desu. Watashi wa Megha desu. I am Megha. The next sentence is I am Indian. Watashi Indian. India is Indo. Indo. Nation is Jin. We've done in the vocab. The vocab for nation is Jin. Indo Jin. Let's complete the sentence now. Watashi wa Indo Jin desu. Watashi wa Indojin desu. I am Indian. Our next sentence is Mr. Miller is a teacher. Mi ra. It's a long sound. Mira san. Mira san. Teacher is sensei. Sensei. Mira-san sensei. Let's complete the sentence now. Mira-san wa sensei desu. Mira-san wa sensei desu. Mr. Miller is a teacher. San is Mr. Next grammar point is noun 1 wa, noun 2 ja arimasen. Ja arimasen or deva arimasen. Deva is a polite way to say no, I'm not this or that. Let's see first sentence. I am not student. I am not student. Watashi gakusei. Watashi. Let's complete the sentence. Watashi wa, right? Watashi wa gakusei ja arimasen. じゃありません。私は学生じゃありません。じゃありませんのではありません。じゃありませんのではありません。So, Minnasan, these are some basic Japanese grammars you should not forget. Our next sentence is, Mr. Kunal is not bank employee. Mr. Kunal is not bank employee. Mr. Kunal, Kunaru, Ku. Katakana word for Kunal is Ku. Na, Ru, Kunaru, San, Kunaru-san, bank employees, Ginko-in. 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 Kunaru-san, Ginko-in. Let's complete the sentence. Kunaru-san wa Ginko-inではありません。では、Kunal-sanは銀行員ではありません。Mr. Kunal is not bank employee. Our next sentence is, that person is not teacher. Vocab for that person is, あの人 teacher, あの人先生。Let's complete the sentence. あの人は先生じゃありません。じゃありません。あの人は先生じゃありません。That person is not teacher. So, polite way to say that person is not teacher is あの方は先生ではありません。Formal, casual. あの人は先生じゃありません。あの方は先生ではありません。Our next grammar point is noun 1は noun 2ですか。ですか。か is to ask question. To ask question. Are you dash? Are you this? Are you that? Is for question. For example, is Mr. Hiroshi a company employee? Question. Hiroshi-san wa, Hiroshi is a Japanese name, so Hiroshi-san wa, Hiroshi-san, company employees, 会社員。Hiroshi-san wa 会社員ですか? Let's complete the sentence. Hiroshi-san wa 会社員ですか? Hiroshi-san wa 会社員ですか? Is Mr. Hiroshi a company employee? Next example is Mr. Miller an American? Is Mr. Miller an American? 皆さんはアメリカ人アメリカ人皆さんアメリカ人 So let's complete the sentence. 皆さんはアメリカ人ですか? 皆さんはアメリカ人ですか? Is Mr. Miller an American? So, answer would be はい。はい。アメリカ人です。はい、アメリカ人です。Yes, he is American. Next sentence is, who is that person? Who is that person? That person is あの人 Who is 誰 Let's complete the sentence. あの人は誰ですか? あの人は誰ですか? It's a casual way to say who is that person. Formal way to say is あの方はどなたですか? Formal. Right? あの人は誰ですか? Or あの方はどなたですか? Our next grammar point is noun mo. Mo is also. If you want to say I'm also that, I'm also this, so you use mo there. Mo. Our first sentence is I am teacher. Mrs. Santosh is also a teacher. I am a teacher. Watashi wa kyoshi. I'm referring to my own job, so I will put kyoshi here. Kyoshi desu. Watashi wa kyoshi desu. Santosu-san. Santosu-san. Mo. Santosu-san mo. Watashi wa kyoshi desu. Santosu-san mo sensei desu. I'm teacher. Mrs. Santosh is also a teacher. Our next sentence is Mr. Miller is a student. Mr. Gupta is also a student. 皆さんは学生です。皆さんは学生です。Guptaさん、Guptaさんも皆さんは学生です。Guptaさんも学生です。Our next grammar note is noun 1, no, noun 2. So no is to connect two words. When you want to connect two nouns. Minnasan. When you want to connect two nouns, you use no. Like my mother or my father. Just like this. When you want to connect two nouns, you use no. Watashi no okaasan, watashi no otousan. Okay? So our first sentence is Mr. Gupta is I am she employee. Mr. Gupta is I am she employee. So Gupta-san wa I am she no社員です。Gupta-san wa I am she no 社員です。社員です。Gupta-san wa I am she no 社員です。Mr. Gupta is I am she employee. 社員 is employee. Our next grammar point is son. So we add son to a name or a family name to show some respect to that person. Like Minnasan or Oto-san, Minnasan or Oto-san. Hi Minnasan, これで終わりましょう. Let's finish it here. And if you like this video, then please subscribe my channel Tsubomi Nihongo and do like and comment also. And please take care Minnasan. Bye bye. Mata ne and thanks for watching.